was for me to me now. Hey, it is a zero wood here. Hey, why be Yako? I never crazy what. Come out digging a your soul set your Yako. Na me no wa bre ye so nkuto da odi ye wa fam asaba do yo baya e chia artist bi o ma ubia chia mu gina ma ya wa e de bi e be se hia e mu jop yako last day shia o ka je be se o tell me mo do bi o be twi kakra since then by hum papa you.
Well, I should do my dear sir. Which of Minister Matrase? Which of Minister Matrase, Uncle? Which of Uncle, Minister Matrase? Which of Warrior Uncle? Which of Warrior Uncle, Minister Matrase? Minister Matrase Bishop, Minister Matrase, whatever was a moment with you. Minister Matrase, Minister Matrase, Minister Matrase, young warrior. Minister Matrase, Minister Matrase, Bishop, Minister Matrase. I'm Minister Matrase.
Bishop, not you.
African gladiator, we are gladiating. You know what they are going to do with it? They are going to burn me. Fire go burn them one by one. What's it? Madiebi daba maniso, mirenyo. Madiebi daba maniso, mirenyo. Madiebi daba maniso, mirenyo. Kwame, Madiebi daba maniso, mirenyo. Dear daba maniso. Ashwefo pictures am be a bit disturbing. Hakakra. And so what the shade what the wa show. Me kwaba brebia no generation bia na ye wonye ma eba ebo nipa edun mebi apese wo ye kokora je se wo dimirika efiufie ba post office na wa ba be salary no be salary enu se call no ko enu zo no e se post office apon anche ene nya phone booth talk Canada be shey no akasa do be kasa be hello na boot no am no credit na e di mu an de be nya mobitel ne phone sakase bi sa ta won so bi kura mobitel ne kase pa be zi na gradually you say ya na you say for the global village I say e be nya mobile phone ene ko obi amanoni a wunua bi wo a wotumi frɛ no video na na kasa oso ye mobile money internet yaba oso send email just nika na ahum kana efe ama life is so simple oso no yiro kasa oso no bi kasa tete krabuchi for kwa to be send mobile money ebrewa. That's the beauty of life. Na I wish for me want to say young man who had ye share trado. A dear baby and a bar. Na emerant in my bar near sum. They are abusing. The video I as if him. See a doom pensobia. Say accident is here. Inse say be fra ambulance na e betumi abo nipa na betumi afa kwan bi so aboa masebe ka biedu na ya so mudo ma to ka ndu ma kono dabi na o video we nsate awurade we o mu yo some mu video no oh we do oye wo mobile phone. My friend, the necessary evil. Na abeba asheye mayim. Mobile phone by is a yankophobia. Omdo say they always want to go around blackmailing people. Just a married man do baby na or a week or a home one na ko baby bon say na or the video na twa. One man miskase ya. E gu ani mase. Say youth, you know. You use mobile phone and they say idea. I'm going to take an example. Just this April, I was in UK. Me call here, lo and behold, accident in you see your name. I'm here. Bakumoto ne born. Na bako crowd here, or to reach him, you the wheelchair no free kwano so na car be pim our breasting abontin so asam king God is my witness me nyina in the atro wonim me gina me soro ho na me hwe kwan say by the space of 3 minutes na police can ambulance aba betwa ho hia hwe 3 minutes omba mu so matwa no de bibia atwa atse o makoba ho nyina abro kwan no. The next 15-20 minutes we free okwa no ya wo horo ho nya se moja na gu wa bibia ni ho omoko asemi sanse ere no mote ye nya badwim ma bi ye nya omamba pa bi ye nya obi o ye good citizen bi e ma ne fa phone a friend 911 na police for the buy ndo bo so ye he want to save a soul but senke ye ha Nania GA video obi mame. As a business, say wo for bi na kan na ate sebe. Ne tia ka be video about to social media. Na wonye. Anka wo dan. Anka wo dan. Honhom bia be hye mu a areho na sebe time ba. Mobile phone say so ban for so many to me a communication and the same situations no. Say you are turning around. You did pia. Your mind kuwa de you mo jani accident. Enti wo twa beto ndie na obenya free. Obo aso me koto me yire. Na obi ne da ntima video. Ma ye ne ho de me na wo nkwala ba miensa ba me ade aye me ya. Ti me video beto social media. Wa dwini mo ha. Wo hia mpaebo. Ade na wo ye no. Unu said that you be on a social media forever and ever better. Now, o man now na wo mono. You are not being fair. Sabe. Nyago portion from so yin na obi aya ko kunkum ye. Ah. That mobile phone dey be ye ni. O se gan ni ba bi wa manoni na se o be kasa. Oni ni bi anya problem. Nti obedise no. Be good animase. and obi afofo no wo di obi atem kan semfin semfo enya nkofo bu ade call and say professional bloggers awasem ba na best sell abedese wo wo kan obi asema tente rota auto ye kasa obi anka obi ansema bra wa be say asem ba no wa so ma wona be chichi ama the whole world obi an say we a professional blogger no we know what is going on in your life. We are abusing the use of mobile phone. It's bad. Call you cannot ayi obi awu na om the course abesa kona kasi esaso ayi me nwanwa sad na me hu ye na me gina me kan sem ya ayi me ya na me wura ho na obi papa bi jan be bi buo ni bi jan be bi no hu se course twam no ho na otu ni che no the bonu mu ase or respect for even the dead bro me or respect enya na bu sheni no but also last respect nipa no ko nyeni nua de but ye abu no say da chi bia me so say na me den meye ye shiatra. Are you a nation wrecker and I say nation builder? All of us, instead of becoming workers and builders, you know, you are done professional and unnecessary spectators. And a man is sinking. The mobile phone said they in Shira Yo and Kabomu and Kanko Bayan and in Puntuno. Maybe an money trap, a bit of potato crew. And say, video be a share brandy bina or dear bab bro baby Timukuno. No be baby, hey, Okuno. I am mere. Come at theatre, obi no di mi ka be dwane but odi kan atwa okuno de na wo ye we no ko twa oba ya broma ne trima pai moja na de beto ho ya dani abro man boyfo wo hia wo nua de opa ne sase beto mo nya kan atwa e da beto social media onyame ohu ye mobo ne mani abre Nano, Minamakra Road. And I was saying, Sako de Biobia and Yamishra, Yaminton Quandam, you knew Sako de Unya accident. The Kanako rubber bisa. I'm saying so Ficona Oba. A Simenimpe. But me do an answer with Pia Oba. Can you imagine, say, Nippon for Sako de Kono? Nay, who you are Sako de Fika and Maba. We are man boy for. We nation wrecker. It's about time we renew our mind. Si phone e buy and ye dey faso bi amaye so. Ye dey twa oba bi na dejada ho, baby na dejada ho. Ye dey fa na obi asecha no wa ye pani bi auto se pani no, wo hwe bra wa ba onu ho no wa ye no. Ye ye man panifo. O man pani no wa ye no. Family se bi no wa twa no. But I'm telling you say some my what's your mom make us a leader as a president? Eddie, Papa. Even the ministers. Promo Breno. Utuka kono kwa kunyasenta wa ukwa. Na wa yenwan we dina tamwa de yen manyi na afra. Ababa wa babo si akete si akata hu sie. Na wa woro hu school twa twa picture sabegue. Da chi bia no ba tan ben no pese sebe. Ne ba ebe ware eno no bobo na sabrabo na nye ne bitiwa na wode wani kohye abrewa bi a otifie so tade bia meka Bible say kabofo omranti brem whatever you do today fapima obele ne no and be determine how far you go in life abusiafo Bible say onyema nyina ho kwan aso nyina na fata botaye pane ade papa enti e ma mmofo ye phones ye nyina ye nyusu ye ewiase nyina ye kukuwa me hia me yira ma frɛ no ma frɛ no video me hia ska ya send ska ko asem bi si a me dimika frɛ anu tin ye phone yo e fanye business ye nyina ye ho ntoye